Show him the spider. Do it again. You teach it to him again? He wants to hear it again. Not too much on his face.
And up the came fire again. Is that cool, Carson?
Does he like your song?
Yeah. He loves it so much.
No, honey. You need to be off the counter, Eric. Do it one more time.
He used to get tongue out.
He was?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Silly baby. Well, Carson used to get tongue out.
Is he silly?
Yeah, he had silly nice baby.
He wants to hear your song one more time. Thanks. Good singing. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Carson.
Say hi, Papa. Oh, dear. All right, he's done. Carson, say hi, Grandma and Papa. And Grandma and Grandpa. Say hello. Oh, you're just yawning. Hi. Did you like your song? Did you like your song, Eric?